Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. If you're craving to eat gobi manchuri the way you get in the restaurant, then this is the 100% perfect recipe for you guys. I have prepared this recipe by using the ingredients which are available at home. So let's check out the recipe. Here I have taken 500 grams of gobi cut into small pieces. Now boil some water and put the gobis to it. Now put some salt and we need to boil it for 2 minutes. By doing this, our gobi will get little soft and some small worms which will be there will come out. Now let's drain the water. After draining the water, we need to spread it and let it cool down. Take a mixing bowl and to it add 3 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour gives good crunch, and now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. By adding water little by little, we need to make a paste of this. Don't add water all at once, add water gradually and make a paste of it. The consistency of the batter should be thin, not very thick. See the consistency you can see. Now put the cauliflower. We need to coat each and every piece of cauliflower well. This is the right consistency of batter, how well it is coating. So it has coated well. Now what I am going to do is sprinkle some corn flour on top, and we need to mix it gently and remove one pieces and keep it aside in a plate. Once if you see the batter is wet, again put little bit of corn flour and then remove one pieces and keep it aside. In the same way we'll do the rest of the gobi. Meanwhile, keep some oil in the kadai for frying. Check whether the oil has become hot. Yeah, it has become hot. Now let's put this gobi. We need to make batches while frying and we need to fry it in the medium-low flame. We need to flip and fry it in both the sides, and we need to fry until it gets golden brown in the color. So it has turned into golden brown. Now let's take it out. Take it out in a kitchen paper towel. Similarly, we need to fry rest of the gobis. See here, I finished frying all the gobis and you can see the crunch. See how crispy it is. To prepare sauce, heat some oil in a kadai. Put 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute it for few seconds until the raw smell goes. Now to it add green chili 1. Saute it for few seconds. And now we need to add 1 chopped onion. This is a medium sized onion. Saute until it turns pink in color. Now to it add capsicum 1/4 cup. Give them a good mix. And now add red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. We need to saute it for few seconds. And now we need to add vinegar 1/2 teaspoon. Saute it. Black soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Green chili sauce 1½ tablespoon. Give everything a good mix. And now we need to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. After adding all the sauces, we need to give a good mix and then add water little, around 1/4 cup, and we need to mix it. And now is the time to add corn flour slurry. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. We need to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour slurry and give a good mix. We need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and now we need to add gobi. Before putting these crispy gobis into the sauce, we need to off the flame. We should not cook it, we need to just mix them. We need to mix well, and we need to put some chopped coriander leaves on top, and you need to serve it right hot. So here it's done with the delicious restaurant style 100% perfect gobi manchuri prepared by the ingredients which are available at home itself. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press on the bell icon button to get the notification of my new recipe. If you're having any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.